Sennheiser is back with a new headphone, open-back hi-fi, the HD505, a model that promises a sound experience of great richness while still being affordable. It follows in the footsteps of the famous HD500 series, but with a more analytical positioning and a design aimed at delivering remarkably precise sound reproduction. Priced at €280, this headphone could very well become a benchmark for those looking to step into the world of high-fidelity sound without breaking the bank. The HD505 is intended to be an ideal entry point into the audiophile world for a relatively reasonable price. It positions itself as an accessible alternative to higher-end models while still maintaining impressive sound quality. With its neat design and balanced sound signature, it attracts both music lovers and professionals looking for reliable and versatile monitoring headphones. By the way, if you want to learn more or check it out in detail, the link is in the description. In terms of design, the HD505 follows the aesthetic of the HD500 series with a sleek and efficient look. The structure is mainly made of plastic, which keeps it lightweight at just 237 grams. The circumaural ear pads are made of velvet for a soft touch against the skin, while the headband is covered with 6 mm of leather with memory foam for optimal comfort. The headphones are designed to provide exceptional comfort, even during long listening sessions. Thanks to its lightweight design and low pressure on the head, you quickly forget you're wearing it while still ensuring a good fit. The careful finish and quality materials also ensure good durability, making it a lasting investment for music enthusiasts. Despite its plastic construction, the finishes are flawless, and the metal grille that protects the drivers adds a premium touch. The headset comes with a detachable 1.8mm cable, which connects via a locking 2.5 mini jack and an adapter 6.35 for maximum compatibility with home audio sources. The Sennheiser HD505 is UVA headphone designed for immersion in a quiet environment. Features 38mm drivers, 12 Hz to 38.5 Hz. Kilohertz. Its impedance of 120 ohms and its sensitivity of 107.9 dB per volt RMS allow it to be used with portable sources such as a smartphone or a computer, but it reveals its full potential with an audio amplifier. Its wide and airy soundstage makes it a great choice for appreciating all the details in audio recordings, whether it's classical music, rock, or electronic production. Its sound reproduction is both detailed and balanced, highlighting every nuance of the tracks without excessive coloration. It focuses on an analytical sound signature with precise balance, detailed mids, clear and open highs, and bass that's present but not overwhelming. The reproduction of voices is particularly well done, and acoustic instruments benefit from remarkable definition. The HD505 is a versatile headphone that's perfect for music, watching movies, and gaming. Its sound signature allows it to provide an airy and natural soundstage with excellent separation of instruments. Unlike closed-back or Bluetooth headphones, it offers no passive isolation or active noise cancellation. This means it's better suited for use in a quiet environment. Its lightweight design and exceptional comfort allow for long listening sessions without fatigue, and its detachable cable ensures good durability. Thanks to its open design, it provides natural spatialization of sound, making it an excellent choice for immersive listening. Mixing or mastering enthusiasts will also appreciate the neutrality of its sound signature, which allows for accurate reproduction of recordings. For gamers, its excellent spatialization provides enhanced immersion, making it ideal for pinpointing directional sounds with precision. Compared to the Sennheiser HD600, the HD505 stands out more dynamic sound reproduction, emphasizing bass and treble, while the HD600 is more neutral and natural. Compared to other models such as HD560S or HD599. The HD505 offers a more analytical and precise signature to the detriment of a warmer sound. Finally, when you compare it to competing headphones like the Beyerdynamic DT900 Pro X or the Iffyman Sundara, the HD505 stands out for its comfort and ease of use, without the need for a powerful amp. However, it does offer less deep bass than its rivals. Thanks to its competitive price positioning, it constitutes an interesting alternative for those looking for precise sound reproduction, without wanting to invest in a higher-end headphone. It stands out with detailed sound and a lightweight design that makes it more comfortable to wear for long periods. The Sennheiser HD505 is a very good entry point into the world of open hi-fi headphones. It offers remarkable sound balance, exceptional comfort, and solid construction. Its bass might be a bit subdued compared to other models, but its detail in the mids and highs makes it a perfect headphone for fans of precise and natural sound. Ideal for home listening, it stands out for its comfort and its ability to reveal all the subtleties of a recording. It's perfectly suited for music lovers, demanding for audio content creators, and gamers looking for optimal sound spatialization. If you're interested in this headset, you'll find the link in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, as usual, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.